It's undoubtedly a progressively growing sport that brings people together and gives them a sense of belonging. A stunning story that has engulfed over 144 countries spread across 6 continents of the world within 5 years of its official existence. A beautiful game that has the potential of being the most talked about amateur sport in the world. Welcome to the world of mini football. Though it's as old as the regular football, the sport became an officially organized international sporting game under the auspices of the World Mini Football Federation, known as WMF, in 2013. Mini football is like the regular futsal game but played outdoor on a natural or artificial grass with only 9 players, 6 in play, smaller goalpost and a smaller field of about 46 by 26 meters and 30 minutes duration, each half with a 10 minutes break. Already, the sport, which has continued to dominate the attention of the world, is officially recognized in over 100 countries. Since it held its first Mini Football World Cup in the 9 cities of the United States of America in 2015, there has not been a going back. At the global level, World Cup championships are organized bi-yearly and same at the continental level. Each member nation is encouraged to run standard local leagues that will translate into a continental championship, and then with an opportunity for clubs to compete at the world stage. Today, under the watch of WMF, all continental bodies have become firmly rooted, assisting member nations in the development of the mini football through national, continental and world championships, as well as youth empowerment and infrastructural development. In the last 1 year, the sport has grown tremendously in Africa under the auspices of the AMF, led by a very vibrant and committed president, Mr. Achraf Ben Salha, and ably supported by other members of the executive committee. AMF successfully hosted the 2nd edition of the Mini Football World Cup in the beautiful city of Tunis, Tunisia. And since then, mini football has continued to dominate the world of amateur sports. AMF also recently hosted the 1st edition of the African Mini Football Nations Cup in Libya. The prestigious tournament, which held from the 5th to the 12th of May 2018, had 9 countries. In very exciting and exhilarating matches, Ivory Coast became the first African champions. The Jaguars of Nigeria, who came 5th in that competition, defeated the South African team in their first encounter. They lost to the far more experienced Tunisian team before ending in a draw with the Senegalese team. The game against Senegal has been adjudged as arguably one of the most exciting games of the tournament. All thanks to IBEN Group of Companies for its sponsorship and continued support to the Nigerian mini football in making this great achievement a reality. The Mini Football Association of Nigeria, MAN, the registered Nigerian governing body for mini football, is now set to build on the progress of its outing in Libya. MAN shall be flagging off the National Mini Football League, NML, as a means to engage in the youth all through the year, while scouting for players that will put up a better performance at the next edition of the African Mini Football Nations Cup, taking place in the beautiful city of Dakar, Senegal. The NML, which will run from October through March, promises to be exciting, captivating and interesting. But beyond the attraction of providing hopes and viable empowerment platforms for millions of footballers, coaches, referees alike across the globe who couldn't make it into the regular football platform, mini football fosters unity and provides a sense of belonging for everyone with a passion for the game. The game has been used in different countries to spread the message of peace, eradicate social vices and societal ills. Indeed, mini football is today seen by public sectors in different countries as a right tool to make social policy interventions, especially due to its compact nature and less financial requirement, which often makes it easy for the sport to spread to every nook and cranny, including remote areas. It is important to stress that mini football is not a rival to any sport, rather a complement. And if well organized, like it's in other countries, the sport can help to develop regular football by strengthening grassroots infrastructure and fan support base. Like in many of the member countries, mini football has no doubt been of immense benefits to sport lovers, especially youths who want to make a career out of football. MAN, which has just been granted a full affiliate membership status of WMF and AMF, is committed to this humanitarian cause. Through organizing and regulating of the sport, we pledge to contribute to the positive development of the society and early age grade soccer advancement in Nigeria, by extension in the world. Thank you all. Andy Elerewe, MAN President.